In this video, we will be talking about the amazing gates and doors, ingenious ideas for modern homes. Crown doors that allow smooth and quiet access between environments with just the touch of a button. TERASKO that features a frameless sliding glass system that is available for use in both doors and windows. Sidcon Fabrications that are designed to fit a retracting sliding gate into a smaller length. Ovent Gates that includes a unique free glide carriage that uses rollers with sealed stainless steel. New wave doors have excellent weather and security performance. ESG Door that features fire-resistant and attack-resistant glazing solutions for their doors. Bilco that is ideal for access to basement storage areas and for moving large items into finished basement areas. Avantgates that has a compactness that makes it easy to be installed in non-standard conditions like narrow plots. Express BiFolding doors that provides the slimmest glass sliding doors available in the UK. Solar and Electric Gates LTD that solves the problem of sloping driveways or confined spaces. Eds UK that has a huge range of wooden and metal gates you can think of, and Regulazaun that gives you a perfect slide feel. 1. Crown doors. These doors offer a wide range of visually stunning door and window solutions. The hydraulically operated bifold system opens vertically, allowing smooth and quiet access between environments with just the touch of a button. It also has a remote power unit located anywhere in the building. This provides customers with quieter operation and contributes to a cleaner look. It is also an all-steel construction that allows for more glass volume and greater visibility. 2. TERASKO. This is yet another fantastic door glass you would love to have in this modern world. It features a frameless sliding glass system available for use in both doors and windows. The premium look makes it superior to its competitors. There are no extrusions or vertical frames that will serve as an obstruction to your view. All panels pivot open and stack together inwardly, making it versatile and conducive to any weather condition. 3. Sidcon Fabrications. Here comes another automatic turning sliding gate. The innovative Sidcon gate is an excellent choice for narrow houses. If there is limited room for your gate retraction, this gate solves it. It is designed to fit a retracting sliding gate into a smaller length area. 4. Ovent Gate. The Ovent Door is a 7-door bifolding door set that comes in a wood grain finish. All 7 sliding folding doors fold and slide in the same direction. It accommodates laminated glazing with glass thickness. There are also available weathered and non-weathered thresholds. These doors also include a unique free glide carriage with sealed stainless steel rollers. Each door also comes with 3 solid zinc security hinges. 5. New wave doors. The new wave doors have excellent weather and security performance. They slide together and have full engagement with double weather. When closed, the new wave door becomes a wall rather than a door. This door system incorporates the main traffic door, and you can use it as a conventional back door. It does everything that bifolds do, and even more. 6. ESG Door. ESG features fire-resistant and attack-resistant glazing solutions for their doors. It is for use in both timber and steel doors. These doors are sliding frameless doors in switchable LCD private glass, and they provide usage in vision panels within the door structure. ESG works with the core door and screen manufacturers in the UK and is known for its excellent production. 7. Bilco. The Bilco is a floor door that is designed with molding strips. It is ideal for access to basement storage areas and for moving large items into finished basement areas. These basement doors make homeowners add code-compliant living space or storage areas to their homes. Large items such as furniture for finished areas, game tables, or pool supplies. You can easily move through the wide opening of the Bilco door. 8. Ovent Gates. This gate adapts easily to any trend. You don't have to think about the slopes in your compound because they're no longer a limit. Its compactness makes it easy to be installed in non-standard conditions like narrow plots. No issue with ice or snow. It is designed to provide innovation and flexibility in terms of use. No matter the space, Avantgates fits in perfectly well. 9. Express BiFolding doors. If you're looking to create your dream home with stunning British-made bifold and sliding doors, windows, glass roofs, and much more, Express BiFolding Doors offers just that. This company provides the slimmest glass sliding doors available in the UK. There are also several other patio door systems ranging from heavy-duty lift and slide doors to slimline panoramic doors. 10. Solar and Electric Gates LTD. This company provides a gate that uses both solar and electric. You don't have to manually open or close the gate. These vertical lifting gates solve the problem of sloping driveways or confined spaces. They will provide a high level of security against unauthorized vehicle access. You should try this. 11. ESG UK. This company has a huge range of wooden and metal gates you can think of. There are solid wooden frames, metal frames with wooden infills, wooden cladding gates, and high-quality solid oak gates. There are several other options for sliding or multi-hinged gates, such as corner sliding and folding gates, self-standing gates, and sliding gates. These gates are ideal for areas where swinging gates, sliding gates, and bifolding gates cannot be installed. 12. Regulazaun. This gate gives you a perfect slide feel. You slide to open and slide to close. The sliding gate is a cantilever gate with a roller carriage that is mounted to a foundation using foundation anchors. When you slide it, the leaf moves several centimeters above the ground. There are no restrictions whatsoever when you slide the gate. Thanks for watching! See you in the next video.